Waiting to live life to the max. How long have you waited to move to secondary school? What are you looking forward to about your new school? How long have we waited for lockdown and restrictions to end? What are you looking forward to doing once the pandemic is over? How long did Noah have to wait on the ark? It rained for 40 days and 40 nights, a whole month and a bit. And then he waited another 5 months for the water to start going down. Noah was on that boat for the best part of a year. That's a really long time to be on an ark, crammed with animals, and the same people, all day, every day. He must have so looked forward to the waters going down and to getting off that boat. He was looking forward to a better life, perhaps the best life. What do you think is the best kind of life? Who, in your opinion, lives the best life? Footballers? Pop stars? Teachers? Millionaires? Have a chat with the person next to you. Who do you think has or had the best life? Whose life would you like to have? What do people need in order to have the best life? And what about our own lives? What about your life? Have we been living our best life over the past year and a half? We've been living with rules and restrictions. We've had to stay at home. We're still not allowed to play at friends' houses. And we have to wash our hands all the time. Is that really our best life? What about Noah on the ark? Do you think he was living his best life there? But on the ark, Noah was also safe from the rain and from the flood. At home and during the pandemic, at school, we were and we are safe. Do you think Noah wanted to stay on the ark forever? I wouldn't have wanted to. Noah didn't know how long he'd have to stay and wait. Do you want to stay with the rules we've got now forever? The rules that keep us safe? Well, some of them maybe. Washing our hands is always a good thing to do. But it would be nice, wouldn't it, to go out and play properly again? We don't know how long we're going to have to wait for that to happen. But we do know how long we have to wait until September and the move to new schools. How are you feeling about your new school? Are you excited? Do you think it's going to be amazing? Maybe you're a little bit worried. You know the way around this school. You know the rules here. You might even know all of the other children. Your new school will be different, bigger, unfamiliar. That can be scary. You might find out when you get there it's better than you thought. It could be that you're disappointed. Jesus said he has come to give life to people, and life in all its fullness, life to the max. I wonder what that might look like for you. How do we live our best lives moving forwards? Well, getting back to being with friends is a really good start. Learning new things, meeting new people will also be really good. But a life where we can remember that no matter what happens, God loves us. That's the best life. Jesus never promised to take away all the tough times in life. He does promise that God always loves us. He doesn't promise to stop bad things from ever happening. But he does promise God loves us. With Jesus with us, we don't need to worry about anything. God always loves us. When we're having a bad day, God loves us. When we're sad, God loves us. When we're happy, God loves us. And when we know we're loved, everything feels better. And who better to love us than God, the one who is perfect love? So how long do we need to wait to have our best lives? After school? After college or university? When we get our dream job? When we're retired? Our best life is with God's love in our heart. Our best life is with Jesus by our side. Our best life, it's right now. We can live our lives to the max right now.